everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some trendy kitchen decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Here are some trendy kitchen decorating ideas to inspire you. Two-tone cabinets. Mix and match cabinet colors like dark lower cabinets and light upper ones for a modern, visually appealing room. Open shelving. Replace some upper cabinets with open shelves to showcase a stylish design and create an air feel. Statement backsplash. Use bold, pattern tiles or unique materials like mirrored glass or metal stains for your backsplash to make it the kitchen's focal point. Minimalist hardware. Out for sleek, small cabinet handles or go handleless for a clean, contemporary style. Natural elements. Incorporate wood, stone or greenery to add warmth and texture to the kitchen. Mixed metals. Combine different metal finishes in lighting, facets and hardware to create an eclectic yet coordinate look. Bold lighting. Install oversized pendant lights or a statement candelier to add drama and personality to the space. Integrated appliances. Go for built-in or hidden appliances for a seamless, cohesive look. Colorful accents. Add pops of color with bar stools, rugs, or small appliances to brighten up a neutral kitchen. Smart storage. Use pull-out pantry shelves, corner drawers, and other innovative storage solutions to keep the kitchen organized and clutter-free. Two-tone cabinets. Mix dark and light cabinetry for contrast. Open shelving. Replace upper cabinets with open shelves to display stylish decor. Statement backsplash. Use bold or pattern tiles to make the backsplash a focal point. Minimalist hardware. Out for simple, sleek cabinet handles or go handleless. Natural wood accents. Incorporate wood elements for warmth and texture. Mix metals. Combine different metal finish in hardware and fixtures. Bold pendant lights. Install oversized or uniquely designed pendant lights. Integrated appliances. Hide appliances behind cabinetry for a seamless look. Colorful bar stools. Add color with different bar Large kitchen island. If space allows, opt for a large island with extra seating. Glass cabinet doors. Showcase beautiful glassware behind glass doors. Under cabinet lighting. Install lighting under cabinets for ambience and functionality. Bold wall art. Hang a statement piece of art to add personality. Granite kitchen island. Use better tiles to cover the sides of the island. Chalkboard walls. Paint one wall with chalkboard paint for notes and designs. Pattern floor tiles. Choose geometric or encrusted tiles for a trendy floor. Bright backsplash colors. Use bright colors like teal or coral for a vibrant look. Brush features. Add a touch of elegance with brush processed and hardware. Zipper box. Create a cozy atmosphere with zipper paneling. Textured backsplash. Opt for a textured backsplash like 3D tiles or bedboard. Custom range hood. Install a custom range hood as a design focal point. A statement rug. Add a colorful or pattern rug for comfort and style. Mirrored backsplash. Use mirrored tiles to make the kitchen feel larger. Floating shelves. Install floating shelves for a modern open look. Appliances garages. Hide the small appliances in pull-down cabinets. Dark cabinetry. Go bold with deep navy, charcoal, or black cabinets. Marble backsplash. Extend marble from the countertops to the backsplash. Colorful appliances. Opt for a retro style fridge or lens in a bright color. Copper accents. Add warmth with copper pots, pans, and hardware. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching this video.